Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in today's YouTube video, we are going to talk about how to create a promotion for your cleaning business. Now today I want to talk about something that can bring a quick boost to your cleaning business, which is launching and promoting a special offer or a flash sale. Whether you're looking to attract new clients or give your regular customers a treat, a well-executed flash sale can do wonders for your business. So let's walk through how to create, promote, and successfully run a special offer based on strategies I've used in the past and that have brought in great results. Step number 1, define your special offer. The first step is to decide what kind of offer you want to promote. This could be anything from a percentage discount. An example would be 20% off all deep cleans, a free add-on service, which could be get a free carpet cleaning with any residential cleaning, a buy one, get one deal, where you can book one service and get the next one 50% off, or buy one, get one free. You want the offer to be attractive, but also sustainable for your business. Think about what service you want to highlight and how it can benefit both you and your clients. For example, I once ran a campaign offering a 50% discount on the first cleaning for new clients, which resulted in long-term reoccurring bookings. Step number 2, set a limited time frame. Flash sales are effective because they create a sense of urgency. A promotion that lasts for too long can lose its impact. The sweet spot for a flash sale is usually between 24 to 72 hours. The short time frame encourages people to act and buy quickly. For example, I had a successful 48-hour promotion where clients could sign up for a discounted back-to-school cleaning package. It generated a lot of interest because people felt the pressure to book fast. Step number 3, plan your marketing strategy. To have a successful flash sale, you need a marketing plan. This is where you will decide A, where to promote the offer, social media, email, website, text messages. B, the type of content that you'll be using, post, emails, and stories. C, the tone of the language of the promotion. Is it going to be playful, urgent, or professional? Here's how I typically break it down. Social media promotion. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Google My Business to create posts and stories leading up to and during the sale. In one of my past campaigns, I did an Instagram countdown to a flash sale with a teaser post, which helped build the anticipation of the sale. During the sale, I posted customer testimonials, before and after cleaning videos, and even went live to answer questions in real time. Email marketing. Email your existing clients and let them know about the upcoming sale. In the past, I've been successful by sending a sneak peek email to my current subscribers, giving them exclusive early access to the sale for 24 hours before it goes live to the public and we post it on our website. It makes them feel special and drives immediate interest. Website and landing pages. If you have a website, create a dedicated landing page for this flash sale. This page should be simple, direct, and highlight the offer and the urgency. I like to use countdown timers on my pages to remind visitors that time is running out. The visual reminder really helps drive the conversion. Hey cleaning family, if you guys are interested in starting your very own multi-six-figure cleaning business, drop the word bundle down below and I'm going to share a special sale with you guys. I have my top 6 digital products, which also include a 30-minute consultation call with me, on sale right now for just $2.99. Text messaging or SMS campaigns. Text message marketing is great for reminding your customers about the sale. A simple text message blast 24 hours before the sale ends with a call to action like only 1 day left to get 25% off of your next deep cleaning. Book now works wonders. In one campaign, I saw a spike in bookings from last-minute texters who were reminded right before the deadline of the sale that we had going on. You want to make sure to use visuals and compelling language. Your promotional materials need to be eye-catching and persuasive. Use high-quality visuals such as before and after cleaning photos, client testimonials, videos showing the cleaning process. Pair these visuals with compelling language, words like limited time offer, exclusive deal, don't miss out, and end soon to help build that urgency. In one campaign, I use phrases like your home deserves the best. This weekend, get a free oven cleaning on any deep cleaning service. You want to make sure that you leverage your customers' engagement. During your flash sale, keep the energy high by engaging with your audience. Respond to their comments, share customer testimonials, and even showcase live updates about the bookings. I've found success by running Q&A sessions during my promotions, answering people's questions about the services that I offer, and offered booking tips. One time, I even incentivized social media sharing, giving people a chance to win a free cleaning service if they shared my flash sale posts and followed our social media platforms. This simple tactic helped expand my reach quite quickly. You want to make sure to follow up after the sale. Once the flash sale has ended, it's important to keep up the momentum. Send a thank you email to everybody that booked and remind them about future services or ongoing offers. For those who didn't book during the sale, offer a small discount to encourage them to book the next time. In one campaign, I followed up with customers who expressed interest but didn't book, offering them a small $15 discount on their next cleaning if they scheduled within the next 5 days. It helped me capture an additional booking even after the sale had ended. Flash sales and special offers are an amazing way to increase your bookings, attract new customers, and reward your loyal ones. With the right offer, strategic marketing, and a sense of urgency, your cleaning business can experience a real boost. Remember to keep track of your performance campaigns, how many bookings you got, which platforms brought in the most traffic, and customer feedback. Use this data to refine your future promotions. I hope this guide helps you plan your next flash sale or special offer. I'd love to hear about your results, so please feel free to reach out and drop your experience in the comments. Happy cleaning and good luck with that promotion. If you guys found this video informational and educational, please be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. Also, please be sure to check out my members only YouTube community where I post videos that my members request of me. We have member live sessions, Q&A, member posts, as well as a number of other promotional items.